Structures that have a large portion of their mass concentrated near the top of a slender, vertically cantilevered structure and in which stability of the mass at the top of the structure relies on rotational restraint to the top of the cantilevered portion of the structure are called inverted pendulum-type structure. The structures are usually T-shaped with a single column or pier supporting the beams or framing at the top. Supporting columns or piers of inverted pendulum-type structures should be designed for the bending moment calculated at the base. Erected atop Mount Samat in the town of Valor, province of Bataan, Philippines, the Shrine of Valor or Dambanan ng Kagitingan was conceived as a fitting memorial to the heroic struggles and sacrifices of the Filipino and American forces who fought and died in the Battle of Bataan from January to April 1942. The Dambanan ng Kagitingan, consisting of the colonnade and the memorial cross, was commissioned in 1966 for the 25th anniversary of World War II, and was completed and inaugurated in 1970. The colonnade, connected to a memorial cross by a zigzag footpath on its mountain slope, is a marble-capped structure with an altar, esplanade, and a museum. The memorial cross, built at the highest point of Mount Samat, 555 meters above sea level, is a towering structure made of steel and reinforced concrete with an elevator and viewing gallery, arm of the cross, 5.5 meters wide with 2.1 meters height clearance. The height of the cross is 92 meters from the base, the height of the arms is 74 meters from the base, with each arm measuring 15 meters on each side. An inverted pendulum structure designation is not a lateral force-resisting system designation. It is a class of structures that can be applied to buildings in any of the structural systems. Though some cantilever column systems can be categorized as inverted pendulum-type structures, most cantilever column systems do not fall into this class, as there are usually several cantilever columns connected together at their tops and the stability of the mass at the top generally does not rely on the rotational restraint at the top of the cantilever.